Are you dealing with a closet full of clothes and nothing to wear? Why is it we love what we buy, but we hate two-thirds of what's hanging in our closet? How does this happen? I'm image consultant Jill Swanson, here to tell you that you are not alone. Whether you've sheltered in place or put on that quarantine 15, it doesn't matter what shape your figure is in or how much money you have to spend. We're going to help you look and feel better about yourself starting now. I get to be part of the Revive and Thrive virtual conference. I'll be presenting a seminar called Intentional Style. In this, we'll be sharing ideas, tips, and techniques to help you dress confidently from head to toe. You're going to learn things like your signature colors, ideas to flatter your figure, and how to accessorize like a pro. And there's going to be plenty of jaw-dropping before and after pictures to help inspire you to look and feel beautiful inside and out. Join me and 12 other dynamic speakers for the Fall Revive and Thrive Conference, Living an Intentional Life. Why not invite a friend to join? Just click the link provided here to register today. See you soon.